Afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb year 2012 government pass question. Question number 10 says the private ownership of the means of production is a feature of dash. The private ownership of the means of production is a feature of dash. We all know what private ownership is. That is in the individualism individualism. Option A say capitalism, B say socialism, C say communalism, D say communism. So the private means of production is known as capitalism. So it's a feature of capitalism. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.